Welcome to AutoRepair Cloud page. To add a new part into an earlier created repair, you need to go to Quotes and Repair Orders section and select the needed repair. You can select a repair from the list manually or use Search function. You can search for a previously created repair using the following identifiers: creation date, name, phone number, vehicle, invoice number, license plate, worker or repair status. Click on the needed repair after you found it. By clicking this button, you can also look through workflows and quotes. Now you can add a new part. Press the New Item button, select Parts, enter description and press Search. In the search window, press the Inventory Browse button, find the needed part, enter quantity you need, and click Select. The required part has been added to the new repair. Thank you for watching our client web portal review. If you think this video is useful, please click the like button and subscribe to see our videos and stay updated.